Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Traxxas connector to EC5 connectors. First, remove the pin from the Traxxas connector. We remove the pin instead cutting the wire. Then unsolder this. Okay. Bend over. Then we take off the other side. Make sure these two not touching each other. Okay. Connector, leave it here, put some solder. Not too much, not too little. Some over here. Heat it up both sides. Make sure they both melt. Hold steady until cool down. It's on there now. Now make sure this is flat side is positive. This is positive. It's not all the way in yet. We have to using flat screwdriver. Push it in. You can hear click. It's better do that when the connector is still hot. Otherwise it would be very, very tight. Okay, the second one. A little bit more. Okay. Some fresh solder. Okay, when they're still hot, push in, then with a flat screwdriver, keep going until you hear click. It's done. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.